Is it worth it? That's what we're here in Montgomery Village to try to figure out on this house right here. I looked at the pictures. This thing looks beautiful. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about just shy of 1,100 square feet. And they have been on the market now for 139 days. They had a price drop a few months ago and still just kind of sitting here. There is a $130 a month HOA. And what else do we got on here that is notable? Oh, I'm pretty sure it's a flip as well. So let's go take a look on the inside and see, is it worth it? Outside, yard, could use some love. Looks like they had a little flower bed over here or something. Put some sod down there. Just once spring hits a little more, it should be kind of full swing. If we can see that roof at all, probably not. Let's go take a look inside. Now we are in the foyer area. So the steps just to the left, kitchen area to the right. Beautiful cabinetry. Nice white. Looks like stone, but I'm not sure what type of stone on the countertops. Might be Corian. Haven't seen that installed new anytime soon. And the gold, I actually kind of like it. What do you think? No appliances, big sink. There I go, breaking stuff. See, that's why I normally don't touch stuff in these videos. And then dining and family room, tons of natural light pouring in out back. And if you recall, the front yard was kind of struggling for grass, but the backyard certainly is not. I would definitely say we get a lot of sun back here. So we got a new fence across the back, newer HVAC. I don't have my shoes on, so I'm not gonna check that out, but back of the house is wood siding, T111, looks to be in good shape. Looks like we got some gutter guards as well. All in all, nice, tasteful. Overall looks good. And the basement, nope. Utility closet, so there is no basement here. And so we got the expansion tank, probably newer. And age 2015. And just across the hall we have a full bath. All right, so there's our shower. Very tight fit in here. So yeah, they squeezed a full bath in here. Yes. But it's pretty. Really tight, but it's pretty. The first floor is really pretty, and the backyard as well. Let's go see what the upstairs looks like. Top of the steps, we have bedroom 1 with can lights. Really big window, and this is the side slide. Kind of like that. And a really big washer and dryer. But as you can see, when this was built, that size of washer and dryer wasn't really a thing. Bedroom 2, another good sized room. I think that first one may have been just a hair bigger. And a full bath. Let's see what else we got. I'm guessing this is the master. Yep. So there is no true master bathroom. Good sized closet. All right, who can tell me what that is? Why is that big triangle in the closet there? And of course, we can't forget the HVAC. I'm guessing from '08. What did you think about Marston? For $395,000, is it worth it? Everything in this place is new, from the flooring to the paint, the fixtures, the cabinets, pretty much every single appliance. I do think that the HVAC is only from '08, but it's still got plenty of life left in it, and overall, I think this thing's pretty beautiful. $400,000 though, I'm not 100% sure. Rental pricing, you are probably in the neighborhood of $2,000 to $2,500 a month for something like this. So run your numbers and let me know. Is it worth it?